Ever wonder what's inside a black hole?
Yeah, same.
Scientists are also losing sleep over it, but spoiler alert, no one really knows. A black hole isn't a hole like a tunnel or doorway. It's more like a cosmic trap, an invisible, super heavy thing floating in space with gravity so strong, even light can't escape. That's why it's black. No light is equal to no visuals, just pure mystery. Black holes are born when massive stars run out of fuel and collapse under their own gravity. The star basically caves in on itself and turns into something ridiculously dense. Imagine stuffing the Earth into a thimble. Now imagine that thimble sucking in planets, light, time, and probably your lost TV remote. Surrounding the black hole is something called the event horizon. Think of it as the point of no return. Once something crosses that line, it's gone, forever. It doesn't matter if it's a spaceship, a beam of light, or your hopes and dreams, nothing's coming back out. Now let's talk about the inside, what's actually in there. At the center is something called a singularity, which is science speak for we have no clue what's happening here. It's a tiny point where gravity becomes infinite, space and time break down, and the laws of physics go, yeah, we're out. Basically, reality crashes like a bad app. And just for fun, let's say you fall in. First off, congratulations, you're now part of science fiction. As you get closer, gravity pulls harder on your feet than your head, and you get stretched into a human spaghetti noodle. This is called spaghettification. No joke. Scientists actually call it that. So, yeah, not the best way to go out. If someone were watching you fall in from far away, it would look like you're moving in slow motion, freezing at the edge, but for you, you just drop in instantly. What happens next? Nobody knows. You might get crushed. You might teleport to another dimension. Or you might just cease to exist. It's cosmic roulette, and here's the twist. Black holes might slowly disappear. Thanks to Stephen Hawking, we know they could leak tiny bits of energy over time, Hawking radiation, and eventually vanish. But don't worry, that takes longer than the age of the universe. So, what's inside a black hole? Maybe a singularity, maybe another universe, maybe it's just the universe's delete button. One thing's for sure, if you fall in, you're not coming out. Probably best to keep your distance.